Look at this, a 1988 Saab 900. But this came with they come with those rotating seat belts. It sure did. So you can see this, when you open the door, this would rotate out, and then you would put your lap belt on at the time. So this was considered the best safety features of the time, to get that seat belt to automatically engage. But door cards look like they're in decent shape, so let me see if I might need that. Otherwise, car's in pretty decent shape. Got some roof racks, which I would take if I had the key to it. But here you go. Nice looking. I love the blue velour carpeting.